Welcome to week 4 of public speaking. This week we will be focusing on developing your speech outlines. A sample outline is given at the bottom of the page under the speech information tab. However, I really do want to go through a little bit about what makes an effective outline. As you will note at the top of this form, you will see a place for the purpose statement. What's the purpose of your speech? For this upcoming speech, you'll start it by saying, to inform the audience, ... That's the purpose of your speech, or to persuade the audience. The second part that's above the speech outline is the thesis statement. And the thesis statement is the foundation of your speech. It's the one statement you want the audience to take away. And it's not word for word, but the gist, the essence of the statement, the meaning of the statement. It's a one statement you want the audience to take away from the speech. And this is a one concise sentence that sums up the entire speech. And the speech outline is made up of 3 parts. I refer to it much like a hamburger. You've got the introduction with 4 parts that sets up the speech, which the preview, the credibility statement, the thesis, and the attention getter. And then the main part of the speech is the speech body. Again, that's the meat of a hamburger, the hamburger patty, or the meat of a sandwich. And in there you develop at least 3 main points. I say at least because there's 2 main points is not enough for any speech. I say minimum of 3. For longer speeches, you may have 3 main points. And the last part of an outline and speech is the conclusion, and that's the bottom bun of the hamburger or sandwich. So the introduction and the conclusion are the buns, are the bread, and the meat and all the toppings are the speech body. And in the conclusion, you will wrap up your speech, and you'll also leave us with a strong impression. Now, however, there's a lot more to the speech body and the speech outline, and it really depends on your topic. And the format of your outline will be dependent on the topic. If you're explaining a process, for example, each main point will be a step in the process. If you're describing a place, telling us about taking a vacation to Hawaii, for example, each main point may be a topical point. You're talking about different islands or activities, food to eat, history. So they're each topical and they're each separate. So the format of your outline will be dependent on your topic. So in this week, we will be focusing on that. In addition to developing a strong outline that we'll be talking about, we'll be starting to learn how to plug in our topic for informative speech into our outline. You will be submitting your informative speech outline for your assignment, and you'll also be posting in the discussion board. Please remember that we learn through active discussions. Share your ideas, share your information. We've all had experience, and this helps our discussions grow. So please let me know if you have any questions, if you have any concerns about writing an outline, or if you've never written an outline, I will help you. I love writing outlines. I find that they're great roadmaps for guiding me and keeping me on track for speeches, as well as papers. So again, have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the discussion boards. Have a great week.